will play animal quiz. Let's start. Example. Which word matches the image? A. Tiger. B. Panda. C. Wolf. D. Leopard. The answer is B. Panda. Let's get started. Question 1. Which word matches the image? A. Tiger. B. Dog. C. Rabbit. D. Cat. The answer is A. Tiger. Tiger is a large wild cat with orange fur and black stripes, known for its strength and hunting skills. Question 2. Which word matches the image? A. Elephant. B. Wolf. C. Fox. D. Dog. The answer is C. Fox. Fox is a clever wild animal with reddish fur, a pointed nose, and a bushy tail. Question 3. Which word matches the image? A. Monkey. B. Rabbit. C. Lion. D. Cheetah. The answer is B. Rabbit. Rabbit is a small furry animal with long ears, quick legs, and a love for eating vegetables. Question 4. Which word matches the image? A. Fox. B. Horse. C. Dog. D. Cat. The answer is D. Cat. Cat is a domestic animal loved as a pet, known for its playful and independent behavior. Question 5. Which word matches the image? A. Cow. B. Cat. C. Koala. D. Monkey. The answer is A. Cow. Cow is a large farm animal raised for milk, meat, and as a source of labor in some places. Question 6. Which word matches the image? A. Hippopotamus. B. Dog. C. Raccoon. D. Horse. The answer is C. Raccoon. Raccoon is a nocturnal animal with a black mask on its face and nimble paws. Question 7. Which word matches the image? A. Koala. B. Polar bear. C. Horse. D. Panda. The answer is B. Polar bear. Polar bear is a strong white bear that lives in the Arctic and is a skilled swimmer. Question 8. Which word matches the image? A. Zebra. B. Elephant. C. Deer. D. Rhinoceros. The answer is D. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros is a massive animal with thick skin and 1 or 2 horns on its nose. Question 9. Which word matches the image? A. Wolf. B. Rhinoceros. C. Rabbit. D. Giraffe. The answer is D. Giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest land animal with a long neck used to reach high tree leaves. Question 10. Which word matches the image? A. Lion. B. Monkey. C. Sloth. D. Elephant. The answer A. Lion. Lion is a large wild cat known as the king of the jungle, living in groups called prides. Thank you for participating. See you on the next games. Bye-bye.